Answers! Fuck you guys, nigga! Fuck all of y'all! Fuck you niggas! Fuck y'all! Answers! Fuck the niggas! Fuck the police, man! Are you tired now? Are you guys fucking tired? Are you guys fucking tired? You guys fucking tired? Are you guys fucking tired? Are you guys fucking tired? Fuck you guys! Fuck, man! What did we do the police? What did we do police? What did we do police? What did we do police? What did we do, man? Fuck y'all! Answers, fuck y'all! Police, fuck you guys! What did we do, man? What did we do? Fuck niggas! Fuck us, man! Fuck them! Yo! Answers! Answers! Fuck the answers, man! What the hell? Obio! That's all, Obio! That's all! Now we going to! There we go! There we go! They follow you, Obio! There we go! Obio, how far? How they go? Obio? Yeah! Answers! Answers, man! Obio is here live, man! Obio!
Kidwaya ambassadors.
See, Baba, no, are you just messaging him on WhatsApp now? I want to tell him that thing that I said. Just message him on WhatsApp. Brother, where's your phone? Don't message him. Message him and tell him that I want to message him now. Sit down now.
This is police tear gassing Davido, Obio, Deji, Adeyunji, and some other protesters live in Abuja. You can see the police, Nigeria Police Force, tear gassing them and other protesters. The video advancing the Nigerian Police Force, trying to explain that we come in peace. The video with the security team now.
Just because I get dreadlocked doesn't make me a woman.
No!
Just because I have tattoos on my body doesn't make me a fraudster.
No!
What do we want? What do we want? When I say SARS, anything in go. SARS!
Give me go!
Give me go! Nigeria!
Give me go!
Wind down. Southport. Come on, brother. You already know my chica. What's going on, bro? End SARS now! End SARS now! End SARS now!
I want this message to go out to every Nigerian youth.
Let's go.
Your voice has been heard.
Yes.
This is the new Nigeria. Yes. We are not scared to speak our mind again. And as I speak to you right now, on my way here, the IGP in Nigeria has disbanded SARS. So Nigerian youth, don't let anyone tell you you don't have a voice. You have a voice. And don't be scared to speak up. Because Nigerians, we deserve good government. So right now, I want to say thank you to everybody for coming out today. We have achieved our goal. We have achieved our goal. And this is just the beginning. So thank you so much, everybody, for coming out.